What's the meaning of aftershave? Aftershave. 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 Aftershave is a product commonly used by men after shaving to soothe the skin and reduce irritation. It typically comes in a liquid form and contains ingredients such as alcohol, witch hazel, and essential oils. The main result of using aftershave is to disinfect any nicks or cuts caused by shaving, while also moisturizing and toning the skin. Additionally, aftershave may have a pleasant scent and can leave the skin feeling refreshed and cool. Ultimately, aftershave is meant to provide a calming and refreshing effect on the skin after shaving.